Hi there, I'm Shelley and Seb is behind the camera.
Right.
And today we're going to do an upcycling or a recycling project. We're taking these legs from an old chair. There was a plastic seating on top that broke. We're then also taking the Snudda from IKEA. We need this turnable bit underneath. And then we've brought in the local DIY centre a piece of oak. From these three pieces, we're going to make a turnable side table. The first thing we're going to do is take the Snudda apart, and I hope I'm saying Snudda properly. We're now going to draw the circle on the piece of wood. To do this, you use a compass, but our compass isn't that big. So we've decided to use a radius of 29 centimetres so that the table will actually be 58 centimetres. We're going to use this piece of wood. We're going to drill 2 holes which are 29 centimetres apart. The one hole is going to be to put a screw in, and the other hole is going to be to put the pencil in. Now we're going to saw out the circle. We're going to use a jigsaw to cut it out, and then we're going to finish it off on the tabletop saw. You don't have to necessarily use the tabletop saw, but it just gives that little bit of a better finish. We're now going to take these parts from the Snudda and build them back together again. On top of that, we're also going to take the Forstner bit and drill 4 holes in here so that we can place these inset casters in the holes. This just gives everything a little bit more stability. So when we put in the wheel, what we have to be careful of is not putting them in too deep. It has to be exactly level, this wheel, with this metal part. Our turning side table with the beveled edge is now finished, and we will see you in a few weeks' time. Thanks for watching. Bye.